bathroom.
Oh my god, you're not gonna film me while
We're
I
in the
pee,
mirror.
right?
No, I'll film myself in the mirror while you go pee, and then while I pee, you can film yourself.
Word, that'll work.
Sound like a plan. Dude, my face looks so horrible, and I'm getting like way up close. It like started blurring out.
I realized why I got like all the
Acne?
yeah, because of my sunglasses, how close to my face they are.
Right, it gets
I
you
was like,
all
why
right
the
here.
I was like, why am I getting zits? I never got zits ever, and now you're filming me. Do not film.
No,
me.
I got the.
Okay, cool.
I'm
All right.
still in me mode.
Alright,
I promise. I won't get you naked. Oh, look it away. Look it away.
We're good. We're good.
All right, we're gonna switch cameras now.
Let me so finish.
We're gonna.
I'll grab with this one and I'll watch with this one. Hey, there's a camera right here. Oh my god.
Shotting yourself.
Yes, I'm so fucked up right now. It's retarded.
It's gonna be so funny. Oh my god.
I can't wait to see this video.
Our other one's gonna be super funny too, like hardcore.
I can't wait.
Remember, people are watching that sideways.
Huh?
People are watching it. They'll turn it sideways, so they don't have to break
So
their
they don't have to go like this?
They don't want to break their neck trying to watch us.
No, like, what is happening here?
I know, right?
I'm just filming myself, don't worry. We're just in the bathroom, that's all.
Yeah, bathroom love going on.
Oh yeah, bathroom for sure. Yep, there's both of us now.
Oh yeah, I'm buttoning my pants, by the way. So I graduated. My name is Carlos. I already got that on video though, I think.
Hell yeah. Word.
Today is gonna be a fun day. My mom gets so mad at me.
For what?
She did because I won't go stay the night with her.
Oh.
I want to hang out with my friends because they graduated.
It's like, well, I'm sorry, I'll hang out with you tomorrow.
Right.
I would. My parents let me. My parents let me do that.
My mom does too. Like, but she's like, oh shit, what the fuck?
I don't know, man. I don't know.
Thank you. She like I texted her. I was like, I love you, and she's like, she didn't even answer me back.
I'd be like, hey, fuck you then.
No, I love my mom.
No, I would never. I'm just saying in my head, I would say that.
Right. If it was someone else, I totally would.
For sure.
Now we're back in the Subway regular.
Subway regular. I'm stumbling everywhere.
She's twisting the camera all over the place. We got some random people outside. He's ordering a sandwich. Say hi, Carlos, again. We had an adventure in the bathroom with the camera. We did.
I'm not going to say anything to that one.
We didn't videotape anything nasty though.
Aww.
We videotaped each other in the mirror while the other one was going pee, so we're like, hi, I'm in the mirror. But we had a good conversation and we can't wait to...
Starving. Do you want to share my sandwich?
I would love to share a sandwich.
It's an Italian BMT. Is that okay?
As long as you don't... Did you put cheese on it?
We got cheese on it. I think. What kind of cheese did you put on it? Pepper jack.
I'll deal with it. I'll deal with it. That's our sandwich we're gonna share. Right there. Going
Only
on.
part of it. It's not done yet.
Shh.
I will
Still
not.
the sandwich.
I will not.
Oh. So Carlos ruined my hat.
I did not ruin your hat for when it's my hat.
See, look at this. This is not how the hat's supposed to fit. Yeah, see, now it's fixed. Ish. I know I am. We got the line going on here at Subway as Carlos pushes me down the line. We got salami. We got, you guys know what's at fucking Subway.
Fucking psycho.
All right. Well, we will continue this conversation later when we're not in Subway.